Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new chapter of geography, that is chapter 2, the interior of the earth. Before starting the chapter, I have already mentioned about a new sort of activity related to Rabindranath Tagore Jayanti. So you people have to prepare for that also. Okay, keep this thing in your mind. Now, starting with this chapter, interior of the earth. Basically, I should ask you, beta, where do you live? Of course, the answer will, sir, we live on earth. Earth पे रहते हैं. यही आंसर है. और obviously we live on earth. Now, if in a part of earth, we need to study about the interior of the earth. Means the whole part. Let's begin. The earth is made up of solid rocks which make up the continent and ocean floors. Okay, interior of the earth is made up of several minerals in molten and liquid form. Okay, now most of the knowledge, if we talk about our knowledge about the interior and the structure of the earth, it is directly made up of rocks. सीधे कहेंगे सर ये अर्थ जो है रॉक सॉइल्स मोल्टेन हॉट लिक्विड ये सब वगैरह वगैरह का बना हुआ है. Okay, at such pressure and temperature, the physical and chemical properties of rocks also gets changed because the temperature is uneven. एक जैसा नहीं है. Okay, so with the help of the diagram, students, I'll be explaining you the structure of the earth. Okay, here you can see it's an earth. Okay, and we have got three parts. The earth has been, thus if you talk about the structure of the earth, we have three things. First is the crust, second is the mantle, and the third is the core. Later on, the core is divided into two sub things, that is the outer core and the inner core. I hope it is visible to all. Okay, one by one we'll be covering these topics. This is first, this is second, and this is third. Students, don't get confused. I hope you'll be getting through this diagram. I'll be explaining you wonderfully. Okay, now let's discover what is crust. Crust is the uppermost layer of the earth, the topmost layer of the earth. Beta, you can see this layer is known as the crust. Where you live in means आप यहाँ रहते हैं. कहाँ रहते हैं? crust पे रहते हैं. Okay, this is the crust. Now the crust is what? The two crustal layers between the continental ocean and with the uppermost layer of the mantle are referred to as a lithosphere. Lithosphere means, the word lithosphere is referred to land. It is referred to land. Okay, एंड हम लोग कहाँ रहते हैं? हम लोग रहते हैं बेटा लैंड पे. ठीक है, तो फिर हम लोग कहाँ रहते हैं? वी लिव ऑन क्रस्ट. द सेकेंड पार्ट इज द मैंटल. सेकेंड पार्ट क्या है? मैंटल, विच लाइज इन बिटवीन क्रस्ट एंड कोर. बेटा ये आपका कोर है. ठीक है, दिस इज कोर and core is been divided into two parts, that is the inner core and the outer core. Understood? Okay, now talking about the mantle. What is mantle? Mantle, beneath the crust there is a layer of very dense rocks known as mantle. बहुत dense rocks होते हैं, घने घने पत्थर होते हैं बिल्कुल. Okay, made up of dense molten materials. Now scientists estimates that, scientists क्या कह रहे हैं, उनकी उनकी स्टडी क्या बोल रही है? वो लोग बोल रहे हैं इट इज द मेंटल इज अबाउट 2900 किलोमीटर थिक. कितना है मोटा? 2900 किलोमीटर मोटी परत होती है. ठीक है, इट लाइज 2900 किलोमीटर थिक एंड मोर देन द हाफ ऑफ द अर्थ मास इज इन द मेंटल. और अर्थ की मास की अगर बात की जाए तो सबसे ज्यादा मेंटल होता है. ओके, understood? Now the next thing comes core. Talking about the outer core. outer core क्या होता है? ठीक है, let's before starting to the core, need to explain a few more lines related to mantle also. The mantle, actually what it is made up of, it is made up of viscous material. that comes uh, out as lava during the volcanic eruption. Viscous material, लावा जो फूटता है बेटा कहाँ से आता है? ये मेंटल के अंदर होता है, वो निकलता है, नॉट फ्रॉम द कोर से नहीं आता. ठीक है. नाउ talking to this point, that is the core. Okay, core, we have got two cores. The innermost layer of the earth surface is metallic, and both temperatures and the pressures are very high. यहाँ पे जो टेम्परेचर होता है वो बहुत ज्यादा होता है, यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर होगा कम होगा. एज वी गो इनसाइड नियर टू द कोर द टेम्परेचर राइजेस. टेम्परेचर बढ़ता है, कितना बढ़ता है? 195 मीटर. इफ यू गो 1 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड इट राइजेस अप. ओके. नाउ आई वाज ऑन कोर. Now core is both the temperature. What I taught you that the temperature over here is very hot. Okay, this layer would be expected to a liquid state because of high temperatures. यहाँ temperatures ज़्यादा होने की वजह से किस state में होगा? Common sense, it would be of liquid state. Okay, the outer core is molten state. कैसा होता है? Molten state with a temperature of about 2000. Talking about this outer core, it is about 2200 degree centigrade. It is composed of nickel and iron. It is composed of nickel and iron. बेटा मैंने नीफे क्यों लिखा है? It's very because Ni means nickel and Fe means iron. Okay, when you will be studying in higher classes, you will be knowing the symbol. These are the symbols of elements. निकल को Ni कहते हैं और Fe को हम कहते हैं iron. So this outer core is composed of Fe and the inner core is composed of Fe. Okay, it is also composed of Fe, nickel and iron. Now talking about the inner core. The inner core is very dense. बहुत ज़्यादा घना होता है, dense and solid, also composed mostly of nickel and iron, and here it is also known as metallic core और निफे. इसको metallic core और निफे भी कह सकते हैं. देखो हम लोग के पास तीन चीजें हैं, सीमा, silicon and magnesium. This is silicon and magnesium. Ni and Fe. Nifi, this is nickel and iron. Okay. Now in this I will be teaching you the composition. ये किस चीज का बना होता है, इसमें कौन से एलिमेंट्स होंगे, इसमें कौन से एलिमेंट्स होंगे, which elements are present in crust, mantle and core. Talking about the crust की बात करें, if you talk about the crust, silicon सीमा is Sial is there. What is there? Sial. You might be thinking, sir, what is Sial? Si means silicon and Al means aluminium. तो आपकी क्रस्ट पे सबसे ज्यादा सिलिकॉन और एल्यूमिनियम मिनरल मिलता है एबंडेंस में. टॉकिंग अबाउट द मेंटल की बात करें, दैट इज सीमा. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग about someone's name. It is SiMa. It's Si means silicon, Ma means magnesium. Now talking about the core, that is Nife, Ni and Fe. Okay, so students, through this video it might be helpful for you. So this was all for today. I hope this video is going to be valuable for you, for giving you a best explanation. And still any difficulty, any problems arises, you feel free to make an approach and I'll be helping you out. So thank you students, take care and have a nice day.